you ready, Cameron? Cameron, put your game face on. Are you ready?
Fine.
All right.
Judge, are you ready? Ready. Keep all the way down there.
Not yet.
Okay.
You listen.
If you think you're done, we're not holding your hands and open your mouth so you can look in your mouth. Remember, you can't use your hands.
When you're done,
You can only put your mouth.
you have to be all finished without anything in your mouth and wave your hands like that.
All right,
Ready?
on your mark.
Go, go.
Have fun. Go.
Go, go, go.
Here, move your head.
Remember, the judge is Officer Joey.
Good job, Mo. Eat, just keep eating.
Go, Cameron! Faster! He's gonna throw up.
She's doing pretty good down there. She's almost done. Almost over here.
What about the crust at the bottom? How do you get that out? Cameron, you good? You okay? Are you gonna get sick? You good? Keep going! Swallow! He's got it up his nose! Oh, we got a winner.